Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and man oh man, look at VGR. So interesting, we saw VGR in the pre-market and it was a massive gap down from 17, well not massive, but from 17 down to 14. So check the news, and what they did is they spun off something out of the company, and it is called Doug, and I'm just trying to bring Doug up. Come on. Go. And Doug, it started trading as Doug today. Came out here. I mean, what a move it made. It opened at 10, got all the way up to 1188 before it fell back. But more importantly, doing that, it's a spin-off. Boy, this just absolutely crashed his stock. So we had an alert for this one. This is in my in the 10-day daily breakdown actually, and it was the alert was at 1197. And what a beautiful, beautiful, other than this little area right here, it has been straight down in an orderly fashion. You know, we talk about this in the trading room all the time, an orderly fashion, meaning, yes, it stopped right here for a while, but it's not like this was a big green bar moving up here and then whipping back down, which would take a lot of people out of the trade very easily. So, I was saying, well, this would be maybe a good area to take some profit and then maintain some, and then it just keeps moving down, down, down. So definitely VGR on a nice orderly short of this one, and many in our trading room took this trade. So now, we still have a promotion on. The markets are open tomorrow and they're open Monday. There's no holiday at all over New Year's. So the markets are open Friday and Monday, and it's full, 9:30 to 4, okay? So there's still a promotion available, 25% off. Check the email that you're getting. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.